Good best boy. Come on, go inside. It's too cold for you. Go in. Go in, good boy. Come on, go in. Good boy. Alright. This is going to be a two-part series. It is below zero again. We're right at below zero. It's very cold out. And I'm going to start this welding machine. I got to set the bench up right here. And I'm going to run a few beads to show you a good profile of what it's supposed to look like just for a simple weld. So I'm going to let this warm up for a while and shut it off afterwards. Very cold out, so stay tuned. I'll do it in the next video. Out. Boom.